Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2015 Creekside from Outdoors RV. 4-season travel trailer built right here in Oregon. Going to walk around, kind of break down some of the features on these trailers. First off, they are a 4-season trailer. A couple things they do differently. They make their own frame, which allows them to enclose the tanks. They're completely sealed. Keeps the rodents out, but more importantly, for insulation factor, especially in cold climates. Has a fiberglass cap on the front with 3 layers of protection, this textured surface, and of course the cap itself along with diamond shield. Power hitch jack, extra large compartment opening so you can get that big 48 quart cooler in there. Also standard with a battery disconnect switch. A little light so we can see what we're doing in here. Outside we've got LED lights, power awning, outside speakers, alloy wheels, and Goodyear tires. Those are the not the Chinese tires. You won't have to change these out. There's the model 26 RLS. Of course, the 2-inch thick walls. Another reason these are a 4-season travel trailer. The back side here, we've got the built-in ladder, big rear window since it is a rear living floor plan. All of our hookups here, plus outside shower, spare tire, slide outs as seen from behind. Even on the slide outs, you'll notice they're laminated too. Most of them are just wrapped with Darco and it's plywood with no insulation. This way you get an extra layer of insulation just like you have on the exterior. Let's take a look at the inside. They have the radial entry door. We like those because they don't leak. As we step inside here, you'll see a couple chairs here in the back. And I would have opened this blind here, but it needs to be redone. But it's got the day-night shades. All the cabinets are rototorqued, meaning they're in a jig when they're put together, so they always have a perfect fit and finish. Huge slide out. Encompasses our hide-a-bed, as well as this big dinette with the drawers, so you don't have to tear them apart to get to the storage, and the extra thick, high-density foam. Not going to flatten out from sitting on it. Check out the kitchen. Really user-friendly. Dual basin sink, 37 inches high, just like a residence is. Built-in backsplash and knife rack. 3-burner stove, oven underneath, pots and pans room, silverware drawers. Now these are all plywood, metal ball bearing roller guides. Norcold refrigerator freezer combination. Extra pantry storage. We've got a Jensen AM/FM CD DVD with a flat panel TV up above, and 2 doors. Let's take the door on the left, which takes us into the bedroom. We do have a queen size walk around bed, nightstands on both sides, as well as wardrobes above. We have our own exit entry door, and of course the door into the bathroom features an all-in-one. You got foot flush porcelain toilet, glass shower stall with skylight, even comes with a hair dryer. How about that? It's got a sink and vanity mirror too. So save big time. This is still the great quality trailer they're making today, only pre-owned and hard to find. This one's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com.